Can we get a refund in Nintendo eShop? Today we are going to find out if we can get a refund in Nintendo eShop. So suppose you purchased any of the game or any of the thing accidentally and now you want to refund it. So as you guys can see, according to their policies, there is no way that you can provide a refund or you can do the mistaken purchase. But there is a thing that you can try. Suppose you have a account in which you haven't bought anything. Suppose your account was completely empty and you accidentally bought a thing like a game accidentally. So remember, this is your first game. So what you can do is you can try contacting your bank and you can tell them, you can actually lie them that your account has been hacked, bank account, and someone purchased a game. What the bank will do is bank will reverse the transaction. It will automatically get you the money back, but it will also get your account removed, which means your Nintendo eShop or your Nintendo account will be removed. So I wouldn't suggest you, if you have multiple games or a lot of stuff in it and you accidentally add any game. So I wouldn't suggest you in that case. But if it is your first game, you had a complete new account and you want to, just you don't want your account, but you want your money. So that you can try that thing. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.